Starting with the Teacher CSV, the first column we have is Teacher ID. This is an important value that once you set it will not be able to be changed unless you reach out to support@chalk.com. Once you've set the Teacher ID, the next mandatory column is the email. This is where you'll enter the teacher's email, and this is what they'll use to actually log in to their account. Note that both Teacher ID and email are both mandatory fields for the Teacher CSV. And again, once the Teacher ID has been set and correlated to a specific email, that cannot be changed unless you reach out to support. So it is highly recommended that the Teacher ID you use here is the one you want to use for the rest of the school year and for years to follow. If you don't already have a Teacher ID from a system you're using elsewhere, you can create one by using the last name of the teacher or a sequence of numbers. Just keep in mind this has to be unique to that specific teacher within the file here. The last two columns are first name and last name. Each of these are optional columns, so if you don't want to include them, you don't have to, but it is helpful and makes it easier for teachers to set up their accounts once they start.